everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make these awesome coasters that came up. It's pretty sturdy. You can feel the weight of it. It's pretty sturdy. Anyways, if you guys are interested in learning how to crochet these awesome coasters, then continue watching. Thank you. To get started, you will need a hook. Today I'm using the 5.5mm hook as the eye hook, and a pair of scissors, and of course one of these needles, and your yarn. I ran out of this yarn, so I'm going to start a new set using this Red Heart Super Saver yarn in the color Oatmeal. So worsted weight, medium weight yarn number 4, and it does recommend the 5.5mm hook, so that's what I'm going to do. To begin, we're going to start off with a magic circle. So I go ahead and hold my tail this way. Put the working yarn this way like a crisscross, and I insert my hook under and grab that working yarn and pull up, and this is the magic circle. Chain 2. Okay, this chain 2 will not count as a stitch of any sort. So the first row, we're going to start off with 12 double crochets into the magic circle. So 1, 2, 3, and of course as you're going, you can always tighten up your circle a little bit, just so that when you're holding it, it's not so awkward. You know, you can just grab that tail here and just pull at it just to make the circle a little bit smaller. That was 4, right? Okay, 4. Continue around, and I will meet you back to show you the next row. Okay, I've crocheted 12 double crochets into the circle, so I'm going to go ahead and pull on the tail to tighten up the circle, and we're going to slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet. Okay, that's round 1. Row 2, we're going to do an increase, so we'll chain 2, and that does not count as a stitch. We'll be making 2 double crochets into each chain all the way around. That will equal to 24 double crochets. Okay, these coasters make excellent gifts. Who doesn't need coasters, right? I think they're just adorable. It adds a homey touch to your home as well, and protects your furniture. Go ahead and continue around and meet me back, and we'll complete this row. Okay, I just completed my 24 double crochets, and we'll end this round with slip stitching into the first of that double crochet. Okay, that's the end of round 2, row 2. The next row will be increases as well, so we're going to make a series of single crochets all the way around. So we'll be making two single crochets into each chain all the way around, and that will equal to 48 single crochets. So I chained 1, and in that first chain, go ahead and make 2 single crochets. Okay, and continue around. So 2 single crochets all the way around. That will equal to 48 single crochets. Okay, I've completed my 48 single crochets all the way around, and I'm going to go ahead and slip stitch into the first single crochet. Okay, and that completes round 3. Now the next part, round 4, is we're going to be creating these loops so that we can make these pretty scallop edges all the way around. Okay, so to begin, we're going to chain 1 and make 1 single crochet here into that chain. Okay, and then we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Then we're going to skip 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. And in that 4th chain, we're going to make a single crochet. Okay, now repeat. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and put a single crochet into that 4th chain. Okay, 1, 2, 3, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, and single crochet. Okay, this is how everything should start to look. One, 2, 3, and then in the 4th chain, single crochet. I'm going to continue around and meet me back at the beginning or the end, and I will show you the next step. Okay, I've reached the last few stitches on this round. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we're going to slip stitch into the first single crochet that we did here. All right, there you go. And that's the end of round 4. All right, to begin the next round, round 5, we're going to slip stitch over to this chain space, 3 chain space, I guess. Slip stitch over. Okay, chain 1. We're going to do a series of crochets here. So we're going to first make a single crochet, okay, a half double crochet, okay, a double crochet, okay, and now a treble crochet. So yarn over twice. And then we're gonna reverse that. So we're gonna make a double crochet, half double crochet, and then to complete it, make a single crochet. Okay, how easy was that, right? All right, go ahead and make a single crochet into the next chain. Do a half double crochet, a double, a treble, a double again, half, and then single crochet. That is all to this design. Pretty simple, right? Single crochet into the next chain, 3 chain space, and repeat. Here's my half, my double, treble, whoops, kind of messed up right there, double, half, and then single, and then single crochet into the next chain space. All right, I'm going to continue this and then I will show you how to finish off this this coaster. I'm finishing up on my last scallop. So I just did one treble crochet. I'm going to make my double crochet, half double crochet, and then a single crochet. That's my last stitch. All right, and we are complete. I'm going to slip stitch into this portion right here, the first single crochet, and we're going to tie off. Okay, and all we have to do now is just go ahead and weave in your tails. We've got two here, so one at the beginning magic circles portion, and then the other one. I just like to weave it around this circle at least once. All right, and grab the other one. Turn this upside down. We'll weave in to the back side of the coaster. If you ever have a hard time with that, just start over. All right, just weave through. You can weave through the loops right here, or just here at the circular pattern. I kind of messed up there. I kind of split the yarn a little bit. That's okay. All right, there you go. This is a coaster that you could make lots of and give them like in sets of 4 or 6, whatever you desire. But I just think they are the prettiest design ever. Look at that. It's very sturdy. Who wouldn't love this, right? I love coffee. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this tutorial, please give me a thumbs up on this video and also subscribe to my channel for future how-to videos. Thank you so much for watching and have a blessed day.